was a lovely day on Earth. Man, I should have nothing bad happen. Breaking news. We have been told that something is about to enter Earth's atmosphere. Well, we're all doomed. Goodbye, cruel world. Ladies and boys and girls, today we are going to be playing a game called Solar Smash, where we pretty much destroy planets, and I just destroyed Earth, so we're going to destroy Mars right now. Oh, what is this crap? Oh. So we're going to be destroying Mars, because I want to. And before we start the game, we're going to give it a look at the sun, and this. I said we're going to give it a good look, okay? So, look, last side is where the sun's facing, it's the dark side. Look, we're going to turn the graphics down all the way, and it's going to look just terrible. Look, at it's all fuzzy, and we turn to the sun, not as bright, and then let's turn them up one more. Not that much change. I don't think anything changed. And then if you move it up one more, that's when it starts getting noticeable. See, now it's not getting as fuzzy. But when you turn up the fourth one, oh my god, it looks amazing. Oh no, I accidentally sent it. Okay, yeah, now we're on max. Wait, why? Restart. Yes. I said reset it. Well, I tried. Yeah, and then when we press this clock, it goes in slow motion. Watch. See now, look, everything's slowly going away. Watch. Normal motion, slow motion. So you already seen what it looks like in slow motion when it blows up, or fast motion. Now you're gonna see it in slow motion. Here we go. I'm inevitable. And then we'll put it back in normal motion. Holy crap. And there's all the other things you can do to destroy the planet. Okay, let's pick Venus, aka Summer's sister. Jackson's sister. Just go with that. We're gonna send the moon. Psych! We're gonna send a missile. We're trying to send. Okay, yeah, I was gonna send it around earlier. We're gonna send one little missile, and we're gonna see what happens. Slow motion first, of course. Ooh. Okay, back. Okay. So now we can see the actual surface. Oh, another one's coming. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Alright. So, oh my god, there's like a freaking face forming. We're going to use this to make a face. This is one we can control. And so, okay, the eye's a little connected. We'll just break that up. Okay, now it just looks nasty. So this thing right here is an automatic killer, but we're not going to use it. We're going to use this UFO thingamajig. Right on its axis. They're gonna probe you. Oh my. Okay. Now at the bottom, we're gonna give it a little meteor strike. Slow motion. Oh. Alright, not bad. Okay, now we're gonna send the Kraken in. I don't know what that is, like a space octopus. 3, 2, 1. Oh, jeez. Oh. Actually, I haven't seen this one yet. Oh, okay. And slow motion. Okay, yeah. Regular motion. It took its core. Which means the planet will explode, right? Because there's no core. Right? Either took its core or just took a chunk of energy. That's a little freaky. Okay, now we're some space snake worm type thing. Dig in, butter boy. Ooh. Rip Venus. Look, ew. Oh, going in for seconds? Okay, there it goes. In for seconds. I think it's gonna come right back out on top. Is that or should it go to this one right here? Or this one? Wait, where is it? It's like nowhere to be seen. It's like stuck in the planet. Oh! Here it comes. Oh, okay. I think it's done now. Yeah, it's going away. Bye-bye, space slug. What's supposed to happen to it? Does it just float down? It's going down there. Okay. First, I have this big, looks like a bomb type thing. Oh! You can just chuck him. This one I like. It's like shooting blasters. It's just, oh, they stay there. Oh, those are bombs you can press. Okay, so you set it down, and then you can shoot it. I'm gonna put this thing even bigger explosion. Look at that! Holy. Okay, it's time to finish it off with. Okay, first we're gonna put the moon right into its core, and then we'll finish it off with the giant arm. Okay. Alright, here it comes. The Big Daddy. And then after like this, it turns into like the color of the sun. You'll see. Where's it at? We're gonna put in slow motion, digging into it. There it is. See, now the core is gone. Look, watch it like change color. See, look, it's brightening up. And look, once it's done, it's gonna look like a mini sun. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 3, 2. Holy crap. Okay, now we got. You getting another ad? Bro, I don't care about get. Oh, yeah. Get a life. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Alright, let's see. Alright, 4 square. Put one in the middle. And I'm going to see if I can shoot one and then they all blow up. There goes a chunk of the planet. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so they all blow up. Oh, we're inside the planet. Ready? Yum. Run in here. It's not like doing anything. I have to. We're gonna make a huge hole. We're gonna put one of those grenade thingies in there. Okay, pull down, pull down. Oh, what the? Okay, we're not done. I missed. Okay, there's one. All those people living on the planet. I killed 406 million. Now, we're blowing all you up. Now that they're all there, time to die. Muhaha. Okay, we're gonna end the video off right here. I paused it in real life, so that's good. I paused the actual game, but you can hear me talking, so that's good. Okay, I'll see you all in the next adventure of destroying the planet. Bye.